Hi friends, here your friend Rajinikanth, Excel Guru. So one of our Excel learner friend asked about these topics: rows, column, and columns. Okay, what is rows, column, and columns? Okay, so especially for him, I'm shooting this video. Okay, so what is the row actually? Okay, numbers always be a row like this. If I type like this, what will happen? It won't show you anything. If I type like this, is equal to 1. See, this is called a row. Okay, and columns, not column. Sorry, this is called a column. Okay, the highlighted one is called column, and this is called a row. Okay, okay, guys. So this is the difference between row and rows. Sorry, row and column. So he asked one thing. So we will clarify that one first of all. Okay. So first of all, I will explain you about the reference cells. Okay, is equal to this. If I enter, it will relative reference. See, if I drag this one, F2, it is also moving. Whenever I drag this formula down, this one also moving accordingly. Okay, F2. See, okay. So I lock the row by pressing F4. Only F4. Locking the row but not the column. Okay. So what will happen? It will see only this one, not this one now. ABC. Only this one it will see. Only this one. Okay. When F2 see A4, it is because I'm locking the row. So I don't want to move another. I mean to say I don't want to move another row. It's a locked reference. Okay. Okay. This is the row now. Okay. About this is row, and now I will explain you about the columns. Equal to how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is equal to transpose this all things, close control shift enter. Okay, this is a column. Now see what will happen. Column, first of all I explain about row. Okay, is equal to row, open the bracket. If I leave the blank like this, so it will show you where we are in that cell. C4, so fourth one, it will show you fourth one. Okay, filled up. Okay, it will show you the fourth. And if I type like this, row, open parenthesis, and I am asking that which row it is having, so it will show you the seventh row. There is a value in a seventh row. Okay, did you got the difference? Is equal to row where we are, here where the value is. In ninth row there is a value. Okay, this is the row. Now I think the person who asked is will understand this one. And now I'm coming to the rows. What is rows? It will count how many rows are there in a range. It will count only the rows. Total 10 rows are there. Okay, this is the difference between row and rows. Okay, rows and rows. Okay, so now you understood. And coming to column, so it will I am asking column, in which column we are? 10th column. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We are in 10th column. Okay, understood guys? We are in 10th column. Now I'll type like this. Till now you understood this one. Now what I do, I select all these things, so it will become an array. If you expecting a single value, instead of single value, if I give more than one value, so it will consider as an array. By pressing F9, it will show you 4 6 4 5 6 all those things by pressing F9. Okay guys, this is called an array. Okay, now coming to the rows. If I select this one same as row, what will happen? Let's see. F9, it will count, that's it. Okay, how many are there? It will count the rows. It will show you current position, the value position. Okay, this is the current position, this is the value position. Count of rows, F2. Count of rows, count of columns, no. Current column, current position, here also current position is equal to this one. Enter. Okay, current position. Now what I see here, column. Now I will ask that column open is equal to colu column. If I select this whole thing like this, F9, see, from 2 it will count 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, control enter. Understood? And again one thing, I'll show you where the value is. Column not B1, column, yes, B1 only, B1, enter. So it will show you that in second position the value is there, is equal to the value position, enter. Format printer, click over there. Okay, now come to columns, is equal to columns. It will count how many columns are there. Okay, it will count how many columns are there in a range. So totally 10 columns are there where the values are occur. Okay, count of columns. Count of columns. Okay, understood guys, the difference between rows, column and columns. Now I'll explain you another thing. Colon, this thing. Okay, if I type enter, what will happen? It will show you ABC only. Why it is showing ABC? See here, F2. So it is relative difference. When I drag here, see, it is coming like this. Here it is, again dragging the formula, so here it is, again dragging the formula, here it is, the cursor, blue color cursor. Okay, the selected cell. What I'll do, I'll lock this one, only this one. It will be A, it will be also A. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, it's an array. Okay, row, actually A4, A4. rows. So it will show you the one where the position is. When I drag formula, it will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the first one is logged. See, A4 is logged. It is incrementing. 1, 2, 3, 4. F2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys. This is a rows. So we can't do this one with this. Okay. Sorry, in row. Okay, we can't do this one. Why? Because I will explain. $8 for A4. See. Only it will show you the position where we are. That's it. Whatever it may be, it will show you the position. It won't go like this. It will show you the position. Okay. Same as columns. You have to log the instead of this columns B dollar. So I am locking the B, not F4. I am locking the B but not the row. Locking the column but not the row. Control enter. When I drag formula, it will show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I am locking the column. If I drag this like this, it will show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what. Okay, this is a column. So here I'll give some values so that easily you can able to understand. Control shift down, Control C. Here I'm giving values like this. Okay, and some random numbers is equal to rand between comma 30. Some random numbers. Okay, values. Okay, so I said we look up here only I'll keep comma. I select all those things, comma 2, comma 0. So it will show you in here because I did not name. Okay, all DL data validation list. Select this and enter. So it will show you 17 GHI 17. Okay, this one. So see, ABC to show you 1. Okay, I said to drag like this. Okay, wait a second. I did not lock this one also. F4. Enter. So what will happen? Let's see. What is the use? We need like this. Okay. ఇంట్లో ఎక్కడున్నావు? Call me within 15 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, I'll call you back. Right. So this is the, sorry guys, there is important call. Okay, this is the like this. Okay, now I want values should be like this. Okay, like 19, 30, 30, like this. I need, when I change the value, I need like this. Okay, 16, where is 16 here? MNO, yes. So what you will do, everyone, what they will do, F2, they copy it now. What they will do, F2, they will change like this. F2, sorry, not 5, 4. Okay, they will do like this. Okay, it's not a proper way. It's the right, but it's not a proper way. What you will do, rows, where we are, first of all I will show you where we are. Rows, open the bracket, J17. J dollar 17 colon J17. So it will, previously I used to say it will increase. See, okay, and what we need from second, it is second, so it is showing from 1. What you will do, add 1, so it will come like this. So what you will do, F2 already there, so what you will do, I'll copy, I'll paste G dollar 17 rows G dollar 17 colon G17 plus 1, control enter, double click. See, if I change like this, Excel, okay, F2, see, what will do, it will, first of all I will show you this one, to show you one, F9, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, F2, here also like this, it drag 2, okay, it is dragged down, so it becomes 2, 2 plus 1, 3, F9, F9, 3. Okay guys, if you have doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day.